Good day, sir, at sa lahat na nanonood sa video na ito. I'm Mr. Reha Jonalyn, and I'm here to discuss the 3 modules I choose in 3 periods in first semester. In prelim period, I choose Module 3. In this module is all about Alos and his siblings' education. In the story of Alos and his siblings, the theme of education is deeply interwoven with struggles and aspiration. Itinampok ni Alos ang kanilang paglalakbay, ang mga sakripisyong ginawa ng kanyang pamilya upang itaguyod ang isang magandang kinabukasan sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral, sa kabila ng sistematikong hadlang at personal na hinaharap. Reflecting on their experiences, I'm inspired to consider how education serves not only as a pathway to success, but also as a source of a hope and resilience for those facing adversity. Sa module na ito, sinasabi ni Alos at ng kanyang mga kapatid na dapat magsumikap at ang kahalagahan ng edukasyon bilang sandata laban sa kahirapan at kawalan ng katarungan. In midterm period, I choose Module 8. In this module is all about Alos' death and its immediate impacts. Alos' death, whether interpreted literally or symbolically through his works, ito ay nagdudulot ng pakiramdam ng pagkawala hindi lamang para sa isang individual, kundi pati na rin sa mga panaginip ng kanyang kinakatawan. He was a voice for the voiceless, a champion for the oppressed and an embodiment of the immigrant struggles. Alos' death is not just a moment of mourning but also a call to action. It reminds us of the urgency to honor but sacrifices of those who came before us by continuing their fight for a better world. Ang aral naman na natutunan ko sa module na ito ay pagpapahalaga na kung anong meron tayo ngayon. Dahil ang buhay ay puno ng sakripisyo at may layuning mas malaki kaysa sa ating sarili. Kaya dapat na ipagpatuloy na magbigay ng inspirasyon upang baguhin ang lipunan at ipaglaban ang karapatang pantao. In final period, I choose Module 12. In this module is all about the short story of My Father's Tragedy by Carlos Bulusan. My Father's Tragedy is more than just a tale of poverty and failure. It is the reflection of human frailty, the impact of choices, and the enduring power of familiar bonds. At ang aral naman na natutunan ko ay ang kahalagahan ng pamilya at saya. Sa kabila ng kahirapan, pinapakita ng ating pamilya na ang kasiyahan, pagkakaisa at pagmamahalan ay mas mahalaga kaysa sa material na bagay. The positive outlook of life gives strength to overcome any challenges.